kumanta? Kusga, ready na mo? Okay, here we go. So ladies and gentlemen, once again at the count up to 3 madlang people, join us to sing a birthday song, okay? So once again, we will join to our background music here. Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people, at the count up to 3, let us sing a birthday song and clap your hands, okay? Let's light the candle first. Let's do this. Here we go. Ready? At the count up to 3, here we go. Okay, ayan. So, let's start. Ayan, here we go. Okay, here we go. Ayan, everybody, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Here we go one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everybody, say it again. Happy birthday, Kalia Sunday. Okay, once again, birthday girl, what will you say? Gugugaga. Gugugaga. Ayan, ang galing mo nang magsalita, Kalia. Wala ba kayo makamay palakpakan naman dyan? Again, sa this birthday girl, this is the time to blow your candle. So for now, hindi pa naman makakapag-wish at makakapag-blow sa birthday girl. I think mommy and daddy will the responsible one to blow and a wish for the candle blowing, alright? Okay, so we go, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people, kids, at the count up to 3 and count. 1, 2, 3, and blow! Wow, pakpak, mga silingan. Okay, say it again. Happy birthday, Kalia.
Happy birthday, Kalia!
Once again, birthday girl, what will you say again? Gugugaga. Ang galing mo na talagang magsalita. Palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, ayan. Thank you so much. Kalia together with mommy and daddy. Ayan, thank you so much po. Okay, so for